Comparison can lead us into a lot of complications, and most of us are not aware of this. Yes, comparison is something that we all experience, isn't it? But do we know that constant comparison with our fellow mates or our peers or neighbors or our cousins can lead into a lot of mental and emotional disturbance? For instance, comparison can lead into anxiety, can lead into negative thoughts, low self-esteem, low self-confidence, can also reduce our energy, reduce our enthusiasm, can create a sick feeling about whatever we are and what we are doing. Of late, I've seen a lot of youngsters going through this complication of comparing themselves with everybody around them. And this comparison can lead into other negative emotions like jealousy, hatredness, or wanting to isolate themselves, feeling that they are not as good as or as worth as the other people. Unfortunately, comparison is not considered as one of the major mental issues or concerns, and therefore they contemplate on these bitter feelings for a long time and eventually land up with other mental and emotional complications without even having a clue that this started with the small seed of comparing themselves with others. Now, how do we handle this? Because it's indeed inevitable to compare ourselves with others. For instance, whenever we see our fellow mates scoring more than us, or our neighbor purchasing a brand new car, or my fellow mate who got into the job at the same time that I got into getting a promotion suddenly or a hike in their salary, all that can automatically make our rational or logical mind to think a lot and start comparing. But if we don't take sufficient time to let go of this bitter feeling, then this will only land up in having these other complications as I mentioned above about low self-esteem or low confidence or not being able to have that self-compassion about our own selves. So, the first thing that you have to do to handle this is to develop a feeling of absolute acceptance. This might sound very easy and simple, but my dear friends, how many of us have absolute acceptance with all that we have in life? I don't think any of us do. But self-acceptance, when compared with others, can lead into bitter complications. If you are not in alignment with what you really desire to have, what you feel you deserve, and you want to compete with your own self, that can be an amazing willpower booster. But if you want to just be a little bit better than your fellow mate, then that can be a complication because your progress or your achievement will go standstill after you have overtaken that person with a lot of negative emotion and all that mental disturbance and anxiety. So with absolute acceptance with what you have, where you stand, and considering your own self as the best competitor is definitely the best way to handle this bitter mental disturbance that we all are. you know Unfortunately, the situation in the society is such that we are all pushed into this analytical thinking of I have to always compare myself with someone else and then see my progress. So, what do I mean by self acceptance? Realizing spiritually that you are a unique piece. There was nobody in the whole universe who came just like you, and nobody will in future come like you. Starting from the physical structure through to the fingerprints, to the whole conceptualization, the perception, the perspective with which you're leading your life, the joy with which you can celebrate life, the opportunities that given to you in the present moment, nobody will ever get that. So you are indeed that unique, special being. Never forget that. Now, with this spiritual realization, if you sit with yourself and see which are those dimensions, which are those aspects where you can work on self-improvisation, then I'm sure automatically this comparison with fellow mates and developing jealousy, hatredness, and all that negative feelings will automatically release from your system. So, one simple thumb rule: self acceptance. Embrace that beautiful self, give love, say I'm absolutely okay where I am, I accept myself completely. Stand in front of the mirror as I've taught you in previous methods and previous videos. Fall in love with yourself and see how you can become better and better each approaching day rather than thinking that your fellow mate is your threat. And please believe me that if you don't address this, this can definitely put your energy down and you'll be wondering where is that small little thing where you couldn't identify where you went wrong. Next time, I'll meet you again with another useful suggestion on drugless therapy. Until then, do take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.